Fishing is not about catching fish. It's about the memories you make and the people you share them with. The worst day of fishing is better than the best day of work. Fishing is the only sport where even if you don't catch anything, you still win. Fishing is not a destination, it's a journey. Fishing is not about the fish, it's about the moments. Fishing teaches patience and perseverance, the qualities that can benefit every aspect of your life. Fishing is a reminder that the simple things in life can bring the greatest joy. Fishing is not a hobby, it's a way of life. Fishing is not a matter of life and death, it's much more important than that.
Abutan kita baltik wa di madima ang hadday. Oh. Dami. Sus. Imbalad dan haddi. Pumuti na guys. Pumuti na. Pumuti ang aming huli. Ayun. Pumuti guys. Oh. Oh. Ano? Dami. Look at the fish. Fish on fish. Puting puti. Wow. Wow. Ha?
Dak lalu galak buga. Tipali dia.
Wow, dalago. Laka ng dalag.
Malakas to.
Lakas nga.
Tingnan ka. Bukas na ulit.
Dami.
Wala na, gabi na.
Kaya nga.
Mabigat to, sigurado.
Eh yung kabila.
Ha?
Ayun.
Oo, dami na rin to.
Ganyan din.
Oo. Tignan mo yung kita niya.
Ay, yung gitna. Ah,
okay.
Punong-puno. Wow. Dami.
Ito.
Yan, kukuha na tayo.
Dalit na ito.
Ha?
Dalit na lang ito.
Akin na.
Mabigat.
Oo, mahirap gumalaw. Ay na.
Kunti lang. Kunti lang.
10 kilo. Wow.
Ito sa gitna.
Ay, dito.
Baka mapitas.
Ah, nakata.
Dahil layo mo lang.
Wow.
Bakit? Layo mo lang. Baka mapunig. Doon. Diretso mo lang yan. Ayaw ko tumigil.
Lalaking tilapia na huli pa niya.
Tama na.
Hulihin natin bukas.